Now bachche have a look on illustration number 19. A and B are partners sharing profits and losses in the ratio 2:1. Two partners were there, A and B, and the ratio was 2:1. A is a non-working partner and has contributed rupees 12 lakh and his capital on as his capital. Means A was a non-working partner. He has just contributed his capital, that was 12 lakh. B is a working partner. The partnership deed provides for interest on capital 10%. Means there were two partners, A and B. A have just invested the capital of rupees 12 lakh and B is a working partner. He is doing all the works and the partnership deed provides that interest on capital will be given 10% and a salary of 7,500 per month will be given to the working partner. Two things are allowed: interest on capital, 10% of 12 lakh. 10% of 12 lakh means 1,20,000 is allowed, and 7,500 salary to the working partner means B is allowed 7,500 per month. But the profit of the year is 70,000 only. Before providing interest on capital and salary, the profit was only 70,000. In this case, when the appropriations are more than profit, what we have to do? Appropriation means interest on A's capital, 10% of 12 lakh is 1,20,000 and salary of B 7,500 per month means yearly salary multiplied by 12, 90,000. So 90 plus 120, it is total 2,10,000. But the big problem is this, that we are having profit just rupees 70,000. We have to give to the partners 2,10,000, but we are having just 70,000. In this case, since available profit is only 70,000, which is less than appropriation, so profit will be distributed in the ratio of appropriations. This is a new and an important concept, that if the profit is less than appropriation, you have to divide the profit in the ratio of appropriation, not in the ratio of their partnership. Now you have to prepare a ratio of appropriation, means A was to get 120 and B was to get 90. So delete of all four zeros, 0 will be cancelled, then divide it by 3. 4 and 3. This is the common factor. Now this is the ratio 4:3. This 70,000 will be divided in the ratio 4:3 and it will be written, interest we have given only 40,000 and salary we have given only 30,000. Means when appropriations are more than profit, then the profit will be distributed in the ratio of appropriations. In the ratio of appropriations, not in the ratio of partnership. And appropriations ratio we have to calculate. Now have a look on the solution. A's capital was 1,12 lakh, means 12 lakh was the capital of A. 10% interest on capital was 1,20,000. Now 10% of 12 lakh is 1,20,000. Salary was 7,500 per month means total 90,000. We have to spend 2,10,000. We have to give them. But the profit, the main problem is this, the profit is only, profit and loss account, profit is of only 70,000. What we will do? We will make a ratio of appropriation. We will write here 1,20,000, 90,000. We will just delete 4 zeros with 4 zeros and again we will divide with a common factor, that is 3. So 4:3 is the ratio. This 70,000 will be divided in 4:3 means once it will be multiplied by 4/7 and another it will be multiplied by 3/7. What is 7? Total of these two figures. 4 plus 3 is equal to 7. So 70,000 into 4/7 means 40,000 and 70,000 into 3/7 means 30,000. So we have divided the profit of rupees 70,000 in their ratio of appropriation, not in the ratio of their partnership. And we will write interest on capital to A, 40,000. How we have calculated? 70,000 into 4 by 7. And to salary to B, we have given 30,000. It is also 70,000 into 3 by 7. Total was 70,000. Means when appropriations are more than profits, then the profit will be distributed in the ratio of appropriations, not in the ratio of their partnership. Thank you.